Hi everyone, in this video I'll quickly teach you how to insert page numbers in the headers of your Google Docs document. So start by opening up the document you want to insert page numbers into and simply go up to insert in the top left corner. Now go all the way down to page numbers and now you can choose to start the page numbers on the main page you already at, so the first page in your entire document, or you can do it on page 2. For this tutorial I'm just going to do it on the first page. So as you can see, it says page number 1, which is correct, and now it's automatically added in page number 2 as well. So you can see header section 2, header section 1. And now you can simply go around and play around with the numbers, and you can simply mark it as adjusted and go up here in a line, and you can put it to the other side if you wish to, or you can put it in the middle. And you can see that it does the same thing on all the pages. And that is simply how you add page numbers in your Google Docs document.